attractions of Maribojoc Town. Tourist spots in Maribojoc Bohol. Maribojoc is a coastal town located on the southwestern part of Bohol. It is at approximately 14 kilometers away from the province's capital, Tagbilaran City. Going there may take about 30 minutes from the capital to the town. The municipality offers a panoramic view of the neighboring island, Cebu province. Aside from this, the town has its own pack of cultural and natural heritages that it can be proud of. Maribojoc was known to be a fishing village when Jesuit priests first landed in Bohol, bringing the cross for the first time to the town. It was when the Jesuits left the town in 1767 that the Maribojoc parish, officially known as Parroquia de Santa Cruz, was established. By the year 1768, the Augustinian Recollect friars took over. It was on the year 1852 that the construction of the Maribojoc Church was first started. The church was erected on what was once a swampy land. The construction was said to be about 20 years of hard work until it was finished in 1872. The convento was located at the back of the church, which is unlike other churches wherein conventos are located at the side. Thus, it offers an unobstructed view of the sea. At the back of the church is a flight of stone stairs built in 1864. Batan Cave and Batan Shrine. A big cross was put up by the church here to remind us of the Passion of Christ. The 14 stations of the cross enable visitors to reflect the story of Jesus' sacrifice for our salvation. It starts at the foot of the mountain of Batan. The place is visited by pilgrims during Lenten season. Aside from its religious aspect, the place had been frequently visited by the neighboring towns for activities such as youth camping and mountain trekking. There are also some devotees who think that climbing up the mountain is one way of sacrificing and repenting of sins during Lent. Whatever the reasons for climbing up the mountain, it still gives an awesome experience to both hikers and devotees alike. The top of the mountain offers a panoramic view of the whole Maribojoc, including Tagbilaran City and Pananaw Island. Town Plaza. The town's hall is located just beside the road leading to Tagbilaran City. Beside, it is the town's plaza with an imposing monument of the country's national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. With its beautiful landscape, one can enjoy a relaxing moment in the town's plaza. Punta Cruz Watchtower. Punta Cruz Watchtower is a triangular structure located at Barangay Punta Cruz in Maribojoc. The tower oversees the seas south of Bohol. It was built as a lookout post against pirates and Muslim marauders. There are remnants of similar triangular towers found in a number of places along the coast of Bohol, such as Pananaw, Dawis, Loay, and also on Pamilacan. However, among these towers, only the Punta Cruz Watchtower remained the most intact. The Tower of Luay, a municipality about 18 kilometers east of Tagbilaran, was much eroded by the sea waves. The one on Pamilacan was built to a slightly different plan. One can see the island of Cebu and Siquijor, and also Mindanao from its windows at the top. The tower still provides an excellent view. A small stall within the site is provided for buying drinks and snacks. Near the tower is the Punta Cross Bay that provides a good spot for a picnic and a swim. If one wants to get there, he may take a bus at the Tagbilaran Integrated Bus Terminal in Davao. Be sure that the bus destination is to Bigon, for it will pass along Punta Cross. Then, ask the driver to drop you off at Punta Cross and walk down for about half a kilometer to the Watts Tower. However, it would be easier if you have your own private vehicle. Batan River. Another popular attraction of the town is the Batan River. The river was enticingly lined with palm trees and mangroves. Those who were able to cross the river believe that it is truly a different encounter than that of the more popular Lubbock River. With its calmness and tranquility, together with its deep emerald waters and river, truly is inviting. Burmese Python. Kept in the backyard of their house, this Burmese Python is owned by a couple in Barangay Dibatlong, Maribojoc. The python's name is Samantha and was born on February 17, 2006. Samantha has a waistline of 36 inches, believed to be much bigger than the first known python in captivity found in Albor, known as Pruni. However, it has a shorter length compared to the later. The python devoured a 20-kilo piglet in just a minute. There are also other animals kept in the backyard. Aside from Samantha, there is Gigi, Samantha's brother. Gigi is smaller compared to his sister. It's said that male Burmese python are smaller compared to the females. There is also a monkey that somewhat frightens visitors who do not know he is there. He also showed some of his playful moves just to attract the attention of the visitors. Maribojoc Cave. Maribojoc Cave can be found at Barangay Punta Cross in Maribojoc Bohol. The cave is near the famous Punta Cross Watts Tower and is often used by the Boy Scout during camping days in Barrio. The cave exits on the other side of a hill. Lagtangon Cave. Lagtangon Cave can be found at Barangay Lagtangon, also in Maribojoc town. It is near Punta Cross. A small hole in the ground allows you to fetch cool spring water from the cave with the use of a small pail. Water from the cave is used by local folks for their household cleaning chores. The cave is believed to have a wide cavern inside for loud echoes occur when you shout through the small opening. These are just some of the enticing attractions of the municipality of Maribojoc. The municipality has a variety of landscapes surrounding it, beaches that line along its coastline, mountains that are good for trekking, and warm people that live in the municipality makes the town truly exciting. Thank you for watching this video. Now I tell you that my father is born in Maribojoc Bohol. Thank you. Share your Bohol story. How do you like these Bohol attractions? Do you have a great Bohol story? Tell all the world how lovely are the Bohol Islands. And telling your Bohol story is easy to do. Just comment in this video. If you have a photo, you can send us. Thank you. Please subscribe.